What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Cronos, which has pumped up a major 27% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just below 12 cents. As you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has gained a lot of value. But not only that, over the last couple of days as well, as you can see, over the last week 76%, and over the month a massive 142% in about, I would say, 3 weeks, guys. So what is next for Cronos? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value, or is it going for a breakout? Is it going to basically pump up in value to around 20, 30, 40 cents over the next couple of weeks? That's what we're going to be going through, and also looking at, is it time to sell it right now and take out some profit, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And if you haven't invested into the crypto, is now the time to buy it, or are you too late? So before I go into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the coin market cap website here, and we can see the trading volume has gone up over 470% in the last 24 hours, making it $139 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, as of course is one of the top gainers. So it's going to get a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype, a lot of traction from both buyers and sellers point of view. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Cronos, which is here in purple at 7 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at just below 12 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep, which is good because that means it is realistic. So do expect a minimal increase in value from Cronos over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Cronos to have gone through, heading to around 14 to 15 cents is where I'm expecting Cronos to be hitting by midday tomorrow. But again, do expect red candlesticks in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a dip. But again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And in this case, I am expecting it to be hitting around 14 cents by midday tomorrow, 14 to 15 cents. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and it is looking realistic once again, meaning more increases in value are expected from Cronos over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week we should be heading towards the 20 cents target, which again may seem like a major increase to some of you guys, but it's done so much increase over the last 3 weeks, guys. So over the next week or so it should be heading to around the 20 cents target, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. The crypto market has been on the green side for the last 2 to 3 weeks, so it should be staying that way over the next couple of weeks as well. So Cronos should be hitting around 20 cents in target towards the end of next week is what my expectations are. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we are looking a little bit too steep, guys, meaning this may not be as realistic as it seems. Again, as you guys can see, over the last 2.5 weeks, it's been more or less hitting green candles quite consistently. Yes, we've had the odd red day, but it wasn't that major. It has been going through a major increase in value over the last 2-3 weeks, and again, of course, we are likely to see more red days over the coming days, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, but the overall outcome seems to be positive. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December, towards the end of the year, I am expecting Cronos to be heading to around 35 to 40 cents in target, is what I'm expecting, and that should happen if Bitcoin manages to pump up over $40,000 in December. Then yes, this is possible for Cronos over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, if there are any major updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a crash or anything like that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Cronos for the short term and the long term as well. In 2024, I'm expecting more green candles, more pumps in on this crypto. I've invested into it as well, and I'm holding on to it for the long term, and we should be heading to, I'm not saying the dollar mark exactly, but heading in above 50 cents, 60 cents towards mid 2024 is what I'm expecting, and potentially hitting the dollar mark in the second half of 2024. But it is a bit too early to judge on that, but you guys want regular updates, so I will be sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Cronos. Let me know in the comment section down below how often you guys want Cronos updates every week. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, day by day we are getting closer to the resistance target here, which is 27 cents, which I'm expecting us to be hitting the resistance target towards the end of the year. We should essentially be hitting the resistance target and breaking out into the green zone is what my predictions are at the moment towards the end of the year. But again, you guys know how volatile the crypto market can be with bullish and bearish days, and of course any news outside of the crypto world can have a major impact on the crypto world in a positive or negative direction. And if I'm able to predict such thing, I will of course let you guys know as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick one on Cronos. Let me know in the comment section down below what are your expectations from this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys are expecting Cronos to hit in 2023 and 2024 as well? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.